In a society where silence is often mistaken for consent, a 67-year-old woman from Bengaluru has finally spoken out after 42 years of marriage. Her complaint reminds us that sexual harassment, domestic violence and control do not end with age or retirement. Bengaluru has witnessed a deeply disturbing case where a 67-year-old retired government professor has filed a harassment and domestic violence complaint against her 70-year-old husband, breaking her silence after more than 4 decades of marriage. The woman, who is a former college principal who served in multiple institutions across Karnataka, she retired after a distinguished academic career and holds a PhD. Her husband, Ramesh, also a senior citizen, is the accused in the case. According to the complaint filed at Govindaraj Nagar police station on Saturday, she alleged sustained mental, physical, sexual and financial abuse throughout her marriage, which began in 1983 at a convention hall of Cunningham Road. The immediate trigger for the complaint was a legal notice sent by her husband, asking her and their 2 sons to vacate the matrimonial home within 8 days. He reportedly claimed that the property is registered solely in his name. In her statement to the police, she alleged that her husband resented her professional success and regulatory belittled her academic achievements, including her PhD and promotions. She further claimed that he systematically pressured her to transfer her salary, gratuity and even property into his name. After Ramesh lost his job in 1993, she alleged that he depended largely on her income while continuing to exercise financial control and abuse. The most serious allegation relates to an incident on November 22nd this year. The lady claimed that while she was cleaning the house, her husband forcibly dragged her into a room and sexually assaulted her. When she resisted, she alleged that she was kicked, choked, verbally abused and threatened with death. She also claimed that he threatened to kill their 2 sons. The alleged assault was reportedly captured on CCTV cameras installed by their children, who had feared for her safety. Following the incident, she was undergone bypass surgery in the past, sought medical treatment for chest pain and breathlessness. She later obtained a medico-legal certificate as well. Despite this, she was initially hesitated to file a complaint, stating that she has been socialized like many women of her generation to preserve marriage at any cost. Police have registered a case under multiple sections of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, including cruelty by husband, assault to outrage modesty, criminal intimidation and causing hurt. Considering the accused's age, he has been asked to appear for questioning. Experts say this case is not an isolated one. National surveys consistently show that nearly 1 in 3 married Indian women report spousal violence. However, complaints by senior citizens, especially women, remain severely underreported. Legal and mental health experts point out that the cases among older couples are slowly increasing, often surfacing when children become independent or when financial control tightens. This case stands as a powerful reminder. Abuse has no age limit and it is never too late to speak up. If you or someone you know is facing harassment or abuse, help is available. Emergency services can be reached at 112. Women's helplines include 181 and 1091 and Vanita Sahaya, that is Vani, at 080-229-43225. Legal aid is also available through state legal service authorities and Women's Commission.